Hi, Kendra. This is Mrs. Donahue. I'm hoping by now that your mom has had the chance to share with you the information I sent home with her about the Greek Museum project that we're doing here at school. I'm sorry you can't be here to do it with us, but I'm hoping that you're going to be excited about doing it on your own. I wanted to show you this step-by-step video so that you could access all of the databases that are available to us for research through our school library. So hopefully this will help, and we'll go ahead and get started. So you're going to start with your Google desktop, and the first thing you need to do is get into the district website, which is cssd.org, and it looks like this. You're going to click on Schools and Central Square Middle School. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on Library, and this is going to bring you to our library page. But in order to access any of the databases that we have available to us, you need to sign in. So you're going to click on Search. My page is automatically already open to me, but in order for you to see this page, you're going to have to log in. So the username is CSMS Library. Make sure you spell library correctly, and the password is search. So when you put that information in, you'll see this page. Now there's a lot of really awesome information here for you to look at, but to me it's kind of confusing the way it's set up. So I always like to go to the A through Z listing and click on that, and then everything's listed alphabetically for me. There are 4 different websites that the librarian showed us for researching your god or goddess, and I'd like to show those to you so that you have access to them as well. The first one we're going to look at is Britannica School. So you can click on that. And you can search by elementary, middle, or high school. Let's go ahead and start with elementary and see what that gets us. So when you go to search, you're going to go ahead and search whichever god or goddess you've chosen. So let's just say you choose Hades. So you're going to search Hades. And then several different resources will pop up for you to take a look at. So let's go ahead and just click on the first one, Hades, Greek god. And what we get is a very quick introduction to Hades, who he was, what was he known for. You can click on Origins, which gives you kind of a little bit of background about where he came from. And then Stories about Hades, which involve possibly other gods and goddesses. So this is one website that you can use. A great place for you to take notes. If you go back to the introduction, anything you see here, you can take notes on, and then I'll show you later on how you can cite your information in a works cited page. So let's go back to the list again. The next resource I'd like to show you is one called Kids Info Bits. This one's great as well. You hit search. We're going to try looking for Hades. Here he is. Lots of information on Hades. Just simply choosing the first one. There is full text information, background information about Hades, stories about Hades, anything that you might need to add to your notes. The cool thing about a lot of these sites is that you can click on listen, and instead of reading it yourself, the website will read the information to you. So that's helpful. Number 3 is Lincoln Library. A lot of the students found this helpful. You can choose world mythology and go that way, or you can just simply start here and again search Hades. And again, here he is, lots of information about him. Let's go ahead and start here. Here are a couple of things that students liked about this page. It had the information up at the top with the pronunciation, which is helpful because some of those gods and goddesses are hard to pronounce. It lists some attributes about the gods and goddesses, what they're known for. And then, in addition to all of the information down here, this information in red is a really quick summary that can give you a quick jump start to taking notes. So that's website number 3. And then the fourth one is called Research in Context, which sounds kind of boring. But if you click on it, and again, search Hades, all sorts of information, click on Hades, lots of facts about him. And again, just another place for you to gather information. So just by using the 4 websites that I introduced to you, hopefully you'll find enough information to get that note packet completed. Please let me know if you have any problems. I'm here to help you, and I'm really excited about starting this project with you. I hope you're excited about it too.